GLYSANTIN Premium Coolant has more than 90 years of experience in several engine applications, approved by vehicle and engine manufacturers. It's obvious that those vehicles need engine coolant, but are you also aware of the following applications? Did you know that a battery electric vehicle needs approximately 2 times as much coolant as a usual car? E-motor, as well as battery, need to be cooled. Protection against corrosion and deposits in a broad temperature window is an important function of the coolant. Good passivation needs to be achieved in the low temperature cooling circuits for the battery pack, as well as in circuits of higher temperatures. For example, for the electric engine. In this example, the battery pack is cooled indirectly. GLYSANTIN coolants incorporate a broad range of safety-relevant features. For example, low electrical conductivity can be critical for improved safety performance, i.e., when it comes to an accident. Especially during charging, the coolant needs to have excellent heat transfer capabilities. GLYSANTIN coolants are successfully used in electric vehicles. They keep electric vehicles in their ideal thermal window and enable optimum driving range and lifetime. Did you know that many parts of wind turbines need to be cooled? The task of the coolant is to keep temperatures of the whole production system in optimal range. Furthermore, it needs to preheat the circuit during startup in very cold conditions. Excellent and long-term corrosion protection is of high importance, as change intervals are long, between 7 to 10 years, and maintenance is very difficult and costly in the height. Also, the power electronic in the wind turbine needs to be cooled. GLYSANTIN combines very good material capability, excellent heat transfer, and long-lasting corrosion protection to meet all challenging requirements of today's wind turbines. Did you know that heavy-duty engines in industrial application, for example, for power generation, have high demands in cooling? Due to their long operating hours and high load rates, extremely high temperature stability and excellent heat transfer characteristics are necessary due to hot spots in engine block, cylinder head, and various heat exchangers. Corrosion can be seen in many forms. For example, wet cylinder liner cavitation corrosion. Cavitation can occur due to a combination of high temperature, high flow rate, vibration, and pressure drop. Small air bubbles are formed on the surface of the cylinder liner, and their implosion results in damage of the surface. GLYSANTIN builds a protective film on the surface to avoid cavitation corrosion. Besides that, the coolant needs to have very high compatibility characteristics with elastomers. The inhibitors protect elastomers and seals from deterioration and prevent the drop of pH. With its long life protection, GLYSANTIN prevents damages and reduces downtimes of heavy-duty engines. GLYSANTIN offers premium protection for all applications. Get in contact with us.